Looking for the best cordless circular saw but not sure where to start? I tested 5 top-rated models and ranked them from weakest to absolute best. Let's break it down. Let's kick things off with our entry-level option, the Black & Decker cordless circular saw. It's the most affordable and lightest in our lineup, making it ideal for casual users or small DIY projects. But in terms of raw power and cutting capability, it lands at the bottom of the list. This saw sports a 5.5-inch blade, spinning at a modest 3,700 RPM. It's part of the 20-volt max system, which is great if you already own compatible tools. The design is lightweight and super easy to maneuver, especially for quick trim jobs or working on thinner materials. But let's be real, this saw isn't made for heavy lifting. Its shallow cutting depth and slower speed make it a tough sell for serious woodworking or construction. Compared to other models in the lineup, it's clearly the least powerful, and the build feels more budget than robust. If you're just dipping your toes into home projects or need something light and simple for quick cuts, this one's for you. It's a basic tool that does basic tasks, and that's perfectly fine for many users. And don't forget, links to all these saws at the best prices are in the description below. Next up, the DEKOPRO Cordless saw kit jumps ahead with more power and a few extra features. This one's got a 6.5-inch blade, spins faster, and comes with not 1, but 2 batteries and a charger, which is pretty impressive at its price point. One of the standout features here is the laser guide for more accurate cuts. Plus, it runs at 4,500 RPM, so it's much more capable of handling hardwood than the Black & Decker. The kit setup means you're ready to go right out of the box, no extra purchases required. That said, it's on the heavier side, and it still uses a brushed motor, which isn't as efficient or long-lasting as brushless models. While you do get more cutting capacity, the tool itself can feel bulky during longer sessions. If you're stepping up from a basic saw and want a solid all-in-one kit for home projects or renovations, this one fits the bill. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more hands-on reviews like this one. Coming in the middle of our list is the CRAFTSMAN cordless circular saw. It's a nice balance of power, weight, and usability. It's noticeably better than our first 2 picks and lands squarely in the sweet spot for homeowners who need something reliable. With a 6.5-inch blade and a 4,200 RPM motor, it handles common 2x materials with ease. It's lightweight enough for overhead use, has a decent grip, and gives you a clean view of the cut line. The bevel adjustment is tool-free and goes all the way up to 50 degrees for angled cuts. Now, while it's solid, it still features a brushed motor, so it's not as efficient or durable as some higher-end models, and it's missing the positive bevel stops that more advanced saws offer, which might frustrate precision-minded users. Still, this one's a great middle-of-the-road choice. It's affordable, dependable, and easy to use, ideal for weekend warriors who need something that won't let them down on typical job site tasks. Next, we have the DEWALT cordless circular saw, a serious upgrade in terms of cutting performance. This one brings speed, accuracy, and durability to the table, making it a standout tool for frequent DIYers and job site pros alike. It delivers a high blade speed of 5,150 RPM paired with a magnesium shoe that adds durability without extra weight. The cut depth is among the deepest in our lineup, and it supports bevel cuts up to 50 degrees. It's powerful enough for demanding tasks, yet comfortable enough to use all day. But just like the CRAFTSMAN and DEKOPRO, it still runs on a brushed motor. That's not a deal breaker, but it does slightly limit its efficiency compared to newer brushless options. Also, it doesn't include a battery or charger, so there's an added cost if you're not already in the DEWALT system. If you want a strong, job-ready tool with proven reliability and a premium feel, this saw delivers. It's ideal for those who want performance and precision without going fully premium. And finally, topping our list, the Greenworks cordless circular saw. This one's the real deal, especially if you're after modern features and maximum performance. It's the only brushless motor in our roundup, and that makes a big difference in runtime and power. It's equipped with a 6.5-inch blade, runs at 4,800 RPM, and features one of the deepest cut capacities out there, 2.5 inches at 90 degrees. You also get practical perks like a built-in LED light, an electric blade brake, and a dust port for cleaner workspaces. There's a slight trade-off in weight. It's not the lightest saw here, but that extra power more than makes up for it. Plus, the steel shoe isn't as rugged as magnesium, but it's solid for regular use. If you're ready to invest in a high-performing, future-proof saw that can handle everything from plywood to framing, Greenworks is the best choice here. It's smart, efficient, and incredibly versatile. That wraps up our roundup of the best cordless circular saws. Want to check out today's top tools? The best prices are waiting for you in the description below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews.